Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Wednesday, January 17th, 2001, 10 am. The earth is revolving and will keep on revolving for a long time. The whirl of men who populate it will continue until the moment when their own cycle of incarnations on this planet has come to an end. The history of this world is very rich and so varied that you would remain astounded if you know it. You know relatively recent facts. What are 3 or 4,000 years? 2,000 years are like a day. 12,000 are a series of new beginnings, not more on a time scale. Incredibly rich civilizations that existed would stagger ethnologists and all categories of researchers as their knowledge is reduced to their capacities of comprehension. Liquid and solid spaces moved very often in an way unimaginable for man of the 21st century. He would remain staggered if he could go 20,000 years back. That would not serve any valid purpose as far as he is concerned. His life program is here. He must face up to things now. It is good for him to think about what life was in the old days. But this reflection is valid only if it leads to being aware of one's smallness and in contrast of the power of the laws that govern the universe and each of the innumerable existing planets. The power of the Creator is boundless. That must drive human beings to the greatest humility and to devotion, which is the finality of their life on earth. Babuji. Thursday, January 18th, 2001, 10 am. My dear daughter, I am afraid that doubt may be incurably rooted in you. It is part of yourself, but you trust us in spite of this handicap and your fidelity in noting down what we tell you bears fruit. These messages are the reflection of life's turbulence on earth. Although life is chaotic and sometimes trying, it also brings joy at the human and spiritual level when such heights are reached. In this domain, that which is acquired is immutable. Neither a thief nor even a natural disaster can take it away from you. It is wise to know it. No insurance can cover that asset. Only you are responsible for it. You retrieve it from life to life, and it rests with you to make it bear fruit. The call of your soul urges you to find a viable way out, a way that suits you and where you will be able to blossom in this domain. It happens that the search for a master takes a long time to succeed. When you have found him, think well before abandoning the idea of following him when certain circumstances at the human level bother you. It is so important. Is it so important? What will remain of internal hassles within the group in 10 years' time and beyond? Take a new look at yourself instead of holding each other responsible for your integration problems. See only the targeted objective and the means granted to you to reach that point rather than taking a stand against the behaviors of your brothers and sisters. Do not miss the opportunity to really make progress. Babuji.